Have your vacuum line going to your power brake booster. It can connect it right here. This locking tab. What you want to do is push that tab happening right there, and you can see. You should be able to see that the connect around the swivel extension and the extension to keep them in place just in case it don't. Now, even though Sylvia may not be able to make it out on that little screen, but you can. So let's remember that. Oh, this thing like this. Get you a piece of tissue paper or a piece of napkin. Okay, guys, I'm still not there. Get to it. All of a sudden now, can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it.
Light. Can you see the sensor?
Yes.
Alright, now what I'm going to do, let me get me the camera and zoom back.